After we finish installation, then if it still not work properly, let's make the adjustment of the system. First, this is a remote control. Remote control is used to adjust the system. Let's press password. PSW means into the system and press upper to make the number to 108. And press confirm. Okay, first let's check D1. Confirm to check the number. This D1 means the interference of the power. If the number is below 10, that means our power is okay. Then let's check D2. Confirm. D2 number is to check the environment around. The smaller number is, the better performance. If the number is below 40, that means the environment is great. But see, this number is very high. That means there is some interference around the system. So let's check D4. Confirm. D4 is the test by the system itself. The number should be around 15 to 100. If the number is not into this range, then it means the number is not okay. So let's make the system self-adjustment. Press E2. Then you can see the yellow light is turned on. Means the system is make the self-adjustment. When the yellow light is turned off, means the adjustment is over. It usually takes around 15 to 30 seconds to let the system adjustment. So let's wait. The yellow light is off. Then let's make the save as S。怎么按不动？按不动这个。哦。S1， 然后 confirm 是吧？Save it, confirm, and then EX to exit. The system, you can taste it again.